Let's take a look at the chart for MATIC. All right, so here's what we're looking at. We got resistance, resistance, resistance. We have support, support, and it looks like we're breaking that support right now. We have a rising channel pattern, in my opinion. It looks like we're breaking to the downside right now. We don't have a lot of volume coming in, a lot of red candles, but we are breaking this uptrend right here. In my opinion, what I'd be looking at are the previous support levels, one right here, and the target, in my opinion, right here. So what I'm going to do is do a horizontal orange line, maybe something like this, and I'm going to be targeting around maybe 1.81 approximately, around this previous support down here. From where we're at right now to this support down here is around 12-13%. If we zoom out and go to the daily time frame, then we can see that we are still in a pretty big uptrend. We have support right here, support right here, support right here, giving me this uptrend like this. So until we break this trend line going to the downside, I'm going to assume that we're still in a nice uptrend. I think we've just been getting some pretty good volatility in general like this. So yeah, right now I'm just looking at this little pattern right here. You could also argue that if we kind of zoom in, we have a little bit, we have two tops now. So we can say maybe we have resistance right here, we have resistance right here, and then resistance right here. So until we break this trend line going to the upside, then we can be more confident on these lower targets. First one up is this one right here at around 1.81. If we break this one, the next one I'll be looking at down here sitting at around maybe 1.50. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like MATIC, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. Basically a rundown on how you can follow along with my videos. All right, I'll see you in the next one.